Hello children, we'll recall the concepts we learned in chapter 2. I'll be re-explaining the concepts. Okay, we are going to learn the history of internet, what is a network, uses of internet, connecting PC to internet. We learned all these things in the previous videos. Now we'll have a quick learning, right? Okay. History of internet. Internet was developed to create an emergency military communication system. For military communication only, they created internet. So what was the project name? ARPANET. It stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. What is the internet? Yes, collection of thousands of computers connected worldwide. See the picture. Thousands, now millions of computers are connected around world. So it is called internet. What is network? Group of computers linked together is called network. Network is a group of computers linked together. Internet is a type of network. Understood? Internet is a type of network. Now we'll see the uses of internet. Internet are mainly used for communication in the way of email. So email for communication, for information gathering. Of course we use Google mainly for the purpose for gathering information. Is for trading and business. We said most of the trading and businesses are going through internet. Online shopping, online banking, social networking, your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all these are social networking. Searching jobs. How can we connect our personal computer to internet? So there are three ways to connect an internet. First, we need internet service, then we need modem, then we need web browser, right? This internet service is the internet connection given by internet service providers, ISP. Okay? So somebody has to give internet connection to us, right? So they are called as internet service providers. This package can be chosen based on its requirement, how we need. We are recharging our mobile phones, right? So it means that we are getting internet connection. Either we need 2 GB or 1.5 GB, right? So we have to pay and get it. So that is internet package. So according to our requirement, we can choose our package. Modem. It is a networking device that is used to connect to the internet. It converts from analog to digital data. I said the cable wire is an analog wire. Our computer is a digital device. So the data has to be changed, converted. So it is done with the help of modem. The abbreviation of modem is modulator and demodulator. The first two letters from mo and next three letters from demodulator, DEM. So modem, modulator, demodulator. What is this router? It is a hardware device. It connects several computers to the internet. We cannot connect all the computers together through direct wires. So instead of that, we'll use router. The small network computers will be connected to that router. From the router, we can connect to the other devices. Okay? So it is a hardware device. It helps us to connect several computers to the internet. So if you have 4 or 5 devices at your home, 4 or 5 computers at your home, you will get only one ISP, right? Internet connection. But using this router, you can connect all your 5 devices to that router. Okay? Now all the 5 devices will get internet connection. Now you understood the meaning of it? Okay. So next one is network card. This has to be fixed in your motherboard. Only if you have network card in your computer, in your cabinet, you can connect to the internet. So it is a hardware device. This device connects the computers to connect over the network. If there is no internet card, even if you get internet connection, even if you get modem, if there is no internet card in your device, you cannot use internet in your computer. Okay, so it is a device which connects the computer to communicate over a network. This web browser, it is a software used to browse the World Wide Web, www, right? Okay, this helps to surf on the internet. So search something on the internet. Though we get ISP, and if we have modem and we have network card, if we don't have enough browsers in our computer, these programs in our computer, we cannot access the internet. Okay, so browser is a program or software which has to be installed in our computer. Now we have a quick review. Identify the icons of the browsers. What are these browsers? Just recall, we learned in the previous videos. Yes, Firefox, Opera, Safari. Very good. Identify the devices. Yes, network card, modem, router. Got it, children? Okay. Thank you.